I want to introduce everybody to this lady that's been a member of our family for a long time, Nita Jones, but everybody calls her Jellyroll. Jellyroll was the first person that you saw when you walked into the Lady and Sons. She was serving biscuits and going around and welcoming people, and she became famous. So I'm hoping that she's going to be able to walk the line and speak to y'all. And you can find her picture like 3 times in this store.
Well, the restaurant that when I first met her is when I went to the little restaurant down the street from her. And so I said, I'm gonna get me a job there. And me and my husband, we went there and we ate. And her son came to the table. He said, what you want to eat? I said, what's enough on that buffet? He said, well, get up and go see them. I said, okay. I went over there to see him, and me and my husband, we ate. I said, I want a job. And he said, no, you don't. I said, yes, I do. He said, I said, no, you don't. You don't want to work with us. I said, okay, then don't give me none. He said, okay. He said, I'll talk about it. And the next day, that Sunday, he called me. You want the job? I said, it's Sunday. So, you want the job? I said, yeah. So he said, come in now. I said, well, you come get me. He came right on and got me. And when he did, I've been with him ever since. Ever since. Boy, I love it. Because she always been like a good best friend for me, you know. Because I always, everything she asks me to do, I do it. And anything, mostly what she asks me to do, I do. And we've been close ever since. And when my mama died, she was there. And my brother died, she was there. So it's just like she was just close to me. That's what brings people together, good food. If it's not good, you know, people leave it. They don't come back nowhere if it ain't good. And I know I won't. I just like to cook, because my mama taught me how to cook. So I love to cook, I don't care what. And especially, we went to, I think it was African with Paula. I went to African with Paula. And this lady was out, they was all spread out, cooking food and stuff. I seen the lady, she was making biscuits. And I said, what that you put in that bowl? She said, you want to know? She said, stand right here and I'll let you watch. And I stood there and I watched her. She put biscuit mix and mayonnaise. Put the mayonnaise and the milk and mix it up real good. Got her ice cream scoop and put it on the pan. And that's the way I learned how to make it. And now, everybody want me to make some mayonnaise biscuits. Everybody. Even I do it for the homeless. I go to the church every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday and take them a great big pan every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday.